Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video.
Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to highlight text in MS Word on Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Word file. Here you select text which one you want highlight. For example, watching. Then press A. Then select highlight color. So many color is there, which one you want select here. For example, yellow. You can see here text highlighted in yellow color. If you want red color, then select red color. You can see here text highlight in red color. So in this way you highlight text in MS Word on Android phone. Hope like this video friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.